Dear students, in this video let us study about molecular formula and structures of some hydrocarbons. First member of hydrocarbons is methane. Molecular formula of methane is CH4. Means one molecule of methane has 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen atoms. Now let us write structure for methane. Already we know that a molecule of methane has 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen atoms. While writing structure of hydrocarbons, first we should write the carbon atoms present in the molecular formula. Valency of carbon is 4. So let us write 4 bonds around carbon. Let us write 4 hydrogen atoms. This is the structure of methane. Molecular formula of ethane is C2H6. A molecule of ethane has 2 carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms. Now let us write the structure of ethane. First let us write 2 carbon atoms. Let us arrange the bonds so that valency of each carbon becomes 4. Now let us write hydrogen atoms. This is the structure of ethane. Next hydrocarbon is ethene. Molecular formula of ethene is C2H4. Hydrocarbons ending with ENE contains double bond between carbon atoms. Now let us write the structure of ethene. Number of carbon atoms in ethene is 2. As it ends with ENE, ethene has double bond between 2 carbon atoms. Valency of carbon is 4. Already we have written 2 bonds for each carbon. Now let us write 2 more bonds for each carbon. Let us write 4 hydrogen atoms. This is the structure of ethene. Next hydrocarbon is ethyne. Molecular formula of ethyne is C2H2. Hydrocarbons ending with YNE contains triple bond between 2 carbon atoms. Now let us write the structure of ethyne. Ethyne contains 2 carbon atoms. As it ends with YNE contains triple bond. Let us write 1 bond each for both the carbon atoms. Now let us arrange 2 hydrogen atoms. This is the structure of ethyne. Now let us once again observe the molecular formula and structure of ethane, ethene and ethyne. Next hydrocarbon is propane. Molecular formula is C3H8. Now let us write the structure of propane. Number of carbon atoms in propane is 3. In between carbon atoms, propane has single bond. Arrange the bonds so that each carbon gets 4 bonds. Now let us write 8 hydrogen atoms. This is the structure of propane. Next hydrocarbon is propene. Molecular formula is C3H6. Structure of propene. Propene contains 3 carbon atoms. As propene ends with ENE, it contains double bond between 2 carbon atoms. Let us arrange the bonds so that each carbon gets 4 bonds. Let us arrange 6 hydrogen atoms. Next hydrocarbon is propane. Molecular formula is C3H4. Structure of propane. Propane contains 3 carbon atoms. Because of suffix YNE, propane contains triple bond between 2 carbon atoms. Let us arrange the bonds so that each carbon atom gets the valency of 4. Let us write 4 hydrogen atoms. Next compound is butane. Molecular formula C4H10. Now let us write structure for butane. Butane has 4 carbon atoms and contains only single bond between carbon atoms. Number of hydrogen atoms is 10. Molecular formula of butene. Structure of butene. Molecular formula of butane. Structure of butane.